Hi, I'm Aranishri Lakshmikant, one of the board member of MICQ Tamil Nadu. I'm very proud to be a part of a board member. We had a successful completed a year full of projects. I'm very happy with crocheting. Thank you.
Hi, this is Jaya Ganesh. Last year, during the installation, I was given a position as spokesperson, and we had a board meeting also on that day. All our board members attended, and we discussed about some few projects to be done, and we successfully completed that. And thing is, with the Rotary Club of Adambakam, we joined hands together, and we did some projects in the college and government schools. Thank you.
Hello members and friends, I am Jayalakshmi Sankar from Chennai, one of the member chairperson during the year 2019-20. It gives me immense pleasure to have been a part of many prestigious projects like Javan project and charity projects. I convey my heartfelt thanks to Subhashri Natarajan, Jaya Sunathan and Rajashri for introducing me to the MSCQ group and providing me a platform to exhibit my talents. Thank you.
Hi all, I am Nandini Karthik, Area Coordinator, Chennai. Last year we had a meeting in the month of October in my place, and I was given a post as board chairperson. We all had discussion regarding various charity projects, and all members gave their commitment. And for 1 year, and for the last October to this October to 2020, we finished our commitments according to our schedule. And I like to thank our founder Subhashri Natarajan ma'am and our GA Viji Rajan and other board team members for giving me support to finish the uh, project successfully. Thank you once again for giving me this opportunity.
Hello, I'm Savita Manoj, one of the board member of the MICQ team for the year 2019-2020. I was a spokesperson, and I like to thank Subhashini from Madurai. She only introduced me to the MICQ. And next, I have to thank Subhashri ma'am for introducing me for the Guinness World Record, and I'm very much happy about being a part of MICQ. I helped in Subhashini's work and taking data and for the advertisement and for other things like. This was a very great opportunity for me. With her and with the team, I just completed like two of my Guinness records in being MICQ member. I very much thank BG ma'am too. She was GA for our area, and Subhashini, she is the coordinator for the rest of the Tamil Nadu. I just helped her in all her works. Thank you everyone.
Hello, McQueens. I am Shanti Selvakumar, Chennai, Membership Chairperson. Thank you, Shubhastri ma'am, Biji, Nandini, and I am very proud about. I am participated in 4th Guinness Record, Javan's Corp, and cab donation for old age homes. Thank you.
Dear members, myself Subhashini Rajkumar, board chairperson for rest of Tamil Nadu in academic 2019 to 2020. In October 19, we held a first meeting in my house at Madurai. On that day, we planned a schedule for such as charity, sales, and spreading crocheting to the school children, college students, as well as public in under a banner of MACQ. We have successfully completed our charity to Aishwaryam Trust in Madurai and ponchos for our tribal children. Almost we are closer to our Javan projects and newborn baby gift hampers. Thanks a lot to our founder Mrs. Subhastri Natarajan ma'am for giving this wonderful platform. Thank you so much to our GA, Mrs. PG Rajan ma'am, for our successful guidance. And thank you, my dear members, those who are supporting to complete our project.
Hello everybody, I am Anjali Ullas Kulkarni, a proud MICQ Mumbai Queen. I would like to thank Charuji and Subhashri ma'am for making me a part of Mumbai MICQ board. It has been a wonderful journey till now with MICQ. This is my second year being a board member. Looking forward for a more exciting, creative and crocheting year ahead. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, I'm Devinder Kaur from Mumbai. I knew crocheting since I was in 10th standard. I learned it from my grandmother and I just love crocheting. It's my passion. It helps me relieve my stress and I really enjoy doing it. And I met Charuji through my cousin and hence I was introduced to MICQ in 2019 and from that time there's no looking back and I've learned a lot of things from MICQ and thanks a lot to Subhashri ma'am and Charuji who have helped me and I have made so many new friends and I have learned many new things and I'm really enjoying my journey in this MICQ and now I'm here as a secretary of the board member of Mumbai team. Thank you all.
Hello friends, I'm Manjari Bhargav. I joined MICQ in 2018. While surfing on the Facebook, I came across the Army project and instantly decided to join. Thank you Charu for inducting me in the board. I will try to contribute as best as I can. I'm sure it's going to be a very exciting time with this very talented and vibrant group. All the best.
Hi Queens, I'm Riddhi Chedaya from Mumbai MICQ. I'm also member of Mumbai MICQ board. I started crocheting full time in April 2019 last year. Before that, I was in our family business of handmade items. We make and teach handmade items. In June 2019 last year, while searching in Facebook to learn some new crochet stitches and crochet products, I came across MICQ. After joining MICQ, I participated in my first ever Guinness World Record. I'm so happy and thankful that I found MICQ not only for Guinness World Record but I learned so many wonderful crochet stitches and crochet products from this group and I made so many wonderful queens here. Thank you queens.
Hi everyone, I am Sangeeta Sanjay Bangar, MICQ Queen of Mumbai region for last 2 years. I would like to thank Subhashri ma'am who introduced me to this beautiful word of crochet. The association with this group has brought a sea change in my life. I also would like to thank Charu for selecting me as a member of the board. I promise you all that I will do my best to make this group more creative, successful, and wonderful. Thanks to all.
Hi all, I'm Soumya here, one of the board members of MICQ Mumbai. I have been entrusted with some portfolio for helping MICQ to spread the art of crocheting, which will give women empowerment. Many women are getting benefited through our MICQ. I am very proud to be associated with this. Hope to do my best. Thank you all. Thanks everyone.
Hey, hi everyone. This is Dr. Vinali Turekar, a physiotherapist by profession from Andheri West, Mumbai, and I'm one of the board member in MICQ recently. I'm very happy to be part of this MICQ group. I was introduced by Mrs. Meenakshi Bhuptani in 2018 for the Soldiers Scarves project, and I'm happy I could finish off that project. I'm very happy to be a part of MICQ because I could make very nice friends through this, and we do lot of charity through this group, so we get to learn many things Even I improved in my crochet work. Thank you so much for making me a part of